Good day, viewers. This is the topic of the week for October 24th, 2023. It's been a while since I've done a video about electric cars. Several months, in fact. And my first video concerning these vehicles was about them just spontaneously bursting into flames for seemingly no reason out of nowhere. If you want to see that video, go back and watch it. But now, when it comes to electric vehicles, we've all been told that they're great for the environment because climate change. We've been told that if you continue to drive a gas-powered car, you're a bad person and you're destroying the planet. We've all been told this. We've also been laughed at and mocked by people like Pete Buttigieg, who say things like, well, if you can't afford the high cost of gas, then why don't you just go buy an electric car? Yeah, and if you are homeless, then why don't you just go buy yourself a home? Ah ha 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 ha. And we should all be driving electric cars by the year 2030 or 2035. So what if they're a little bit expensive? Gavin Newsom has a program to try to make them cheaper and more affordable for working class people to buy. Well, this is my electric car update. I don't know if you've seen this yet, but here goes. This is a more recent article from October 16th, 2023. Now, these two people spent £60,000. They live in Scotland, so it's pounds. On an electric vehicle, a Tesla. And after having spent all that money on this vehicle, as soon as the weather got a little bit wet and it rained in Edinburgh, Scotland, they ended up being slapped with a £17,000 repair bill to fix their dead battery. Apparently the battery on this car got wet, was ruined by rain, and now it's going to cost them £17,000 to fix. And in contrast, when I replace a battery in my gas-powered car, I pay $200. $200, not $2,000, $200 to fix the battery. Whole new battery at Firestone. Okay, so it starts out by saying, imagine shelling out big bucks on essentially your dream car. I don't know what's such a dream car about this. I really don't. Only to have it irreparably damaged due to something as innocuous as rain. So, when you're not having to worry about your car just bursting into flames, you have to worry about a little bit of rain destroying the car's battery and having to shell out thousands upon thousands of dollars to fix it. They got a call from Tesla with the estimate of what it would cost to replace the battery. There it is. That's how much it costs to replace a Tesla battery after it gets destroyed by rain. Oh. Luxury electric vehicle bursts in flames as showcase. When the couple were pressed about how they could be responsible for the damage, they were told it was a weather issue. Rain. They said that the battery is effectively submerged in water. The weather in Scotland has been so bad. That was the issue. And at some point during this, the owners of this car claimed that they did not drive through any floods or deep water puddles or anything like that. At least they don't remember having done so. So apparently these cars have to be kept in a garage or underneath a canopy at all times when they're not being driven. And if the car just bursts into flames while it's sitting in your garage, well, apparently that's all on you. Now, these are things that gas-powered cars don't do, right? But, of course, we've all been told that continuing to drive gas-powered cars is bad, 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 and will destroy the planet and cause the entire planet to burn. Yeah, we've been told that. And apparently, some members of the younger generation actually believe that. They've bought it hook, line, and sinker. But this is the alternative. Either you continue to drive your uncool, unhip, climate-destroying, bad for the environment gas-powered car, or you get slapped with an $18,000 to $20,000 charge for a new battery in your overpriced, shiny, cool, new electric vehicle. Take your pick. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.